my name is Lian, Franzene. We are Mas, and today I'm going to show you how to make an egg sandwich. These are all our ingredients. Slices of bread, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, sprinkle of salt, and sprinkle of black pepper. It's also optional if you want black pepper or without black pepper. And this is our mixing bowl. So first, we have to boil our 4 eggs. Now we have to wait for 7 minutes. Later. Now our hard-boiled eggs are ready. Next we have to put them in our bowl. Now we have to mash them up together. Now they're all mushed in. Next, we have to put our 1 cup of mayonnaise, and our 1/4 cup of sugar, and a sprinkle of salt, and a sprinkle of pepper. Now we have to mix till all the ingredients are well blended. Now it's all blended. Next we can spread it in our bread now. And now we can put our next bread. And there we have it, our egg sandwich. Yummy! Thanks for watching. Bye!